The color and action scripts in a code block are made for changing the look of your model. You can make them say something with a talking bubble or think something with a thinking bubble. You can show or hide your model with the help of set visibility code block there in the action option. You can change their costumes. You can change the environment, which we already discussed in the previous video of environment. And you can also change the color of a model directly by with the help of material properties, and maybe you are much more familiar with these material properties we discussed in a video lecture of material properties. If you still face any problem, must visit to this video and play around with your creations. If you want to change the color of a model after previewing the project, then code according to that. Let's select two sphere to our platform, and with the help of geometry option, we name sphere 1 and sphere 2 respectively for our convenience while coding. Firstly, change the color of a sphere and set a different color. Let's set a color white and black. And also with the help of action code block, we are able to show the name of a color of a sphere and preview it. And you will see that the color of a sphere white and black. Now go to the event block and select when something is click code block, and set when sphere 1 is click it show red color. And similarly for sphere 2, code that when sphere 2 is click and it show blue color. And with the help of action option, change the name of a color. So now firstly it is black, and after the coding and when we click on sphere 2, it will shows blue color. You are also able to show and hide the model with the help of visibility code block. And now let's see how it is works. Firstly, I drag and drop a cat into our platform, and with events option said that when we click on a play button, our cat will hide. So we are able to see our sphere only and see what happens by clicking on a play button. Well, it is works. After all, set a code that when we click on sphere 1, our cat will show. So from this, we will hide or show our sprite in our project. When you look at the description of them, you may got a lot of new ideas to create your own creation on the QuickXR platform. So create your own creativity, and you can create a number of creation in QuickXR platform with the help of color and action options, and ultimately scripts and code block are give life to your apps. So I encourage you to play around with this and see what you get.